Yo, dugo, dugo, dugo. Shit, that was a bad call. That is a bad call. Ayan, nakita mo, mali na, hindi pa rin nila papaguin. Ngayon, appeal, appeal. Yeah, that was a...
Super slow-mo. Okay.
Here comes a right.
Boom, right on the eye.
Blood.
Where's the blood? Where's the blood?
After that is where the blood happens. You're right.
Tingnan nyo guys. Sa super slow-mo. Talagang panalo dito si Suarez. Yan o. Ang lakas yan o. Wala talagang head class na nangyayari dyan. Tingnan mo. O. Sumuntok pa nga eh. Wala talaga. O. Kaya daya na naman to.